Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Machensey, local and long-distance movers near me. With our long-distance movers, you get the professional services you require for a much simpler move. We help you relocate to the next state over or all the way across the USA. With us, you receive all the right moving services to make moving a lot simpler. Along with the general long-distance moving services, we also provide all the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. If you want to work with an Illinois moving company, justifying the expense may seem to be hard. When you look into the main benefits you gain, the cost may make it a lot simpler to manage. You get the benefits of saving time on your local move, which can be well worth it. You will also get to avoid the heavy lifting, which means no risk of injury. When you choose our movers, you receive professionals ready to make your local move super simple. If you prefer an efficient moving day, 3 Movers is the right choice for you. Even if your move is big enough that it would take you all week, we can get it done in no less than a day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Machensey moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.